What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I decided today is the day I'm gonna stop being lazy. I've been sitting on a carbon fiber rear diffuser for probably 4 months now, and I've just been so lazy to install it. I mean, 4 months ago, we were into the winter, it's super cold, it gets dark out late, I work a normal 9 to 5 job, but today is one of the rare few days that we have sun outside. Other than that, the rest of the week's been rain, and I decided, stop being lazy, get off my ass, and we're gonna install this shit today. So, wish me luck, guys. Hopefully we can knock it off in a day. I've never done a rear diffuser before, but I figure it should be pretty easy. If you guys look, I did install the carbon fiber skirts. I'm gonna put the car on the quick jacks, and I've never tried to jack it up with the skirts before. I'm really hoping it fits underneath. I am not 100% certain, but we will go ahead and give it a go right now. All right, we got the quick jack all set up. This is my new setup right here. I put the compressor underneath the table and plugged in at all times, and the wires just run cleanly now. Before, I used to have to run an extension cord over there and then plug it in the back, and then I would just leave it there in the middle of the floor. But now I have a really neat way of organizing that. All right, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna remove this rear spoiler or rear diffuser that comes stock to put on the carbon fiber one. So looking underneath the car, there's a couple, I believe it's 8mm. I'll put it on the screen if I'm wrong. I'm gonna take these off, and then there's gonna be clips in the back. You should be able to just pull off the rear diffuser to put on the carbon fiber one. And then here, looks like you're gonna reuse the OEM holes. There's these holes right here that line up with the rear diffuser. So I'm assuming it didn't come with hardware, but I think I might have to run to the store for some bolts and nuts to secure that over there. I think that's how you put it on. I'm not completely sure, but we'll tackle it as we go. So let's remove this first. Oh, we're good. Whew, that's removed. Let's get her on here first. Let's try that. Okay, and I'm just gonna do it hand tight. All right, so this is how the diffuser looks so far, and honestly, so far so good. But I am running into one issue. So you guys can see right here, this hole doesn't perfectly line up. I was able to make this one work, but the two outer ones work perfectly. However, this one doesn't line up at all, so I am gonna have to do some modification. You can get really itchy. So wear gloves and glasses, guys. I'll show you guys what I did. I don't know if you can see this, but I pretty much made this hole bigger so that the screw can go ahead and fit through. The good thing is the washers are pretty big, so it'll still cover up the whole thing and not slip through. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on now, which it should fit. Not so bad, guys. The cutting was pretty tough, but we got it on. I'm tired and it's cold.
3 days later.
All right, so a couple days have actually passed, and I wasn't able to finish installing the diffuser, but we did get our exhaust tips in. Look at that. She looking good. The diffuser, the under tray was not able to get on because if we look under here, there's some hardware hanging, which I was testing out. And it looks like there's 4 holes where I actually had to go to the store We got a bunch of bags of stuff. Oh, there you go. This is what we had to get. I ended up going to Lowe's, got a couple of speed nuts and U-clips. This hole right here. And then we already have one that has a bolt in it, just to test fit it. It does work and it should hold up the under tray pretty well. Got the other one right there. So there's 2 on each side, and then I gotta do the other side now. And we'll go ahead and use these body bolts that I picked up to come with them. All right guys, well, I got all of the U-clips or the speed nuts on. I think it's gonna go ahead and work. So what we're gonna do is now try to put on that under tray. And this time I'm gonna try to put it on all by myself. So one of you guys can see me struggling right now. I'm gonna put this here. All right guys, I'm not gonna lie, so far it's turning out so good. The box pretty much helped. I didn't tighten it all the way down, so we might be able to make this happen, guys. So hopefully this one lines up, because I really don't want to do any additional cutting. We're really good. I haven't tightened it all the way down yet, but so far it's really good. You guys have it. Before you guys flame me, I know there's the proper way to do this. However, I'm just gonna go ahead and peel off the tape and then YOLO and place it. Underneath, stuck on pretty good. I just tapped it. I just want to make sure the screw holes are there, which they are. Hey guys. Boom. There's one. Damn, that looks pretty good. All right, let's get this other side done and then we can drop the car. All right, y'all, we are all done. This is finished product on both sides, and I'm about to drop the car. Damn, that shit looks fucking gangsta. Holy shit, guys. Look at that. Holy fuck, that looks so good. Holy shit, let me get on another angle for you guys. Get it on. Sheesh. Fuck, that looks good. Oh my god. Get a side angle. Whew. Man, she's low. That thing. That rear with the exhaust tips now too. Looks so good. Oh my god. And there you guys go. All right, that's gonna conclude the video for today, guys. It took me 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, to finish installing the diffuser. I did run into a little bit of issues where I had to go buy additional hardware because it wasn't fitting, and I had to make sure that this thing was super secure. But dude, I am absolutely happy with how this PSM Style Diffuser from Mashimarho turned out. I think it makes the car look super aggressive, and on top of that, I was able to throw on the exhaust tips as well for the 90mm exhaust tips from ARM, and I think the rear end looks absolutely amazing. I appreciate you guys all for tagging along and watching the video. There's gonna be a lot more coming. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Peace.